Well, there we go. Another instrument leaves, Doug. Always sad to see, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, okay, see you, Ravens. Well then, again.
Did you film the bass though, didn't you?
Of course I did, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I was standing in front of you, like this.
I didn't know whether you were just cameraing or videoing.
Well, I'm working out, instead of using dumbbells.
Or just use it as dumbbells.
Using using a camera, yeah.
Well, the name's apt.
Anyway, listen. Again, I'm thinking of a name.
Yes.
The name is...
Yes.
Come on.
The name is...
Mr. Will.
Oh, Mr. Will,
Fuck.
yeah.
I mean...
Oh yeah, Mr. Will. Here he is.
Trying to stop swearing. Here he is.
I've done the linings.
Here he is. Here he is.
Well, I'm still working on the linings. I fitted them anyway. I just got to neaten them up a little bit and, you know, flatten them out to exactitude.
Can I just ask you something?
Yes.
Are you planning on swearing in this video?
Fuck off. Of course I'm not.
Oh, it's just that when I process them, if we swear,
Yeah.
it's like worse for the video with YouTube. But I mean, I swore not long ago and I regretted it.
Did
To be honest with you, but I think you've kind of, yeah. Let's just carry on.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Right then. Okay, so you've got these little wooden things in. Yeah.
Yes, these little wooden things. Yeah.
Yeah. You know what I mean.
Kerfing.
Kerfings. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just tell us about them then, please.
Well, they support the top and the back.
You're absolutely
You
right.
give it a bigger gluing surface.
That's correct.
Okay. Plus, when you finish all this off,
Yeah.
then when you've put the guitar together, like there's the back. When you put that on, glued it on.
Glued it.
Glued it on, yeah.
Glued it
When
on.
you've glued it on, then you've got to cut edge binding round.
You're absolutely right.
So you're cutting away a lot of this.
Yeah. So you got a bit of support. Yeah.
So you've got this is supporting it all.
Well, you wouldn't be cutting a lot. It'd be about what, 2 mil, would it? 2, 3 mil.
About that, yeah.
Yeah.
Two
And that only looks like it's about 4 mil thick. So good job you've got some grubblings, whatever they're called.
What's your on about?
They're called
Kerfing.
Kerfings, that's it. Yeah. I tell you what, is there anything in the guitar world? Is there a component that's called a grubbling?
No,
Chris,
there isn't.
You should invent one.
Well, you've just bloody made it up anyway.
Here we see the grubbling.
Yeah.
It holds the wailings. What are these called again? Waferings.
Kerfing.
Kerfings. I don't know what's wrong with my memory. Anyway, carry on. Don't let me disturb you, Doug.
Them are just there. They go all the way up,
They do, yeah.
right? And they're there in case the sides want to split.
Yes.
You know, laughing at one of your jokes probably. And yeah. So there we are. These are the bottom supports.
Yeah.
That's the neck support. The neck will be glued into that.
Point out that's the bottom support.
That's the bottom me bit.
You said supports.
Whatever.
Yeah.
And your jack socket will be going through that. It'll be there. I've deliberately left a gap because in there I'm putting one of my
Embellishments.
Ah,
Your little tinker.
Yes. So that's where we're up to now. It's like I say, I'm just cleaning these up with my little.
Can I just ask you?
Little
Does he want the jack at the back like that?
Well, it doesn't matter whether he has it there or not.
Okay,
That's
calm
still
down,
there anyway.
Calm down. Yeah.
It can be there if he wants.
I'm just the
Or it might have one.
I'm just the unpaid representative of the client. You see.
Okay. Okay. Well, you'll still get abuse.
I'm happy with that. I get abuse every day, even from myself.
Yeah. So I'm just got to sort all these out now. Just tidy them all up where where they're hanging over the edge. Much better than having them hanging over. That'll be flush down to there.
Is it? Could you not just like sand it, as opposed to planing it?
Yes.
You know, just like a little.
I will be sanding the edges. I've only planed them off roughly. You can still, if you run your finger and you still feel them, they're actually sticking out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like Ken Dodd's teeth, aren't they?
That's right. Yeah. And they will be flatted down with something like that you can reach across the ends with, but not with sandpaper on this end when you're rubbing that end.
Yeah.
So you'll need a paddle with just a piece of sandpaper that big. So you need a block of wood, flat block of wood.
Just show me how you can use that.
Slightly longer, and then I can flat over that side, so you're keeping it flush with this side.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Why did you do that?
Well, because it keeps it all level.
Yeah, no, but if you're not going to be out like about 1/10 of a mil, aren't you? Then once you bang this on, put a bit of
Banged it on.
put a bit of the plastic stuff on the outside. And fill any gaps
Just be quiet.
with the edging.
Anyway, so there's that. Okay.
This is the best bit, isn't it? Look at that.
Yeah, that little clampety thing, yeah.
Clampety thing, yeah.
Yeah. And I've got another one that goes that way. I've got one that goes that way as well.
Why isn't the long one engaged at the moment? In the
Because
job?
it was in my way.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just doing all these things now, just bits and bobs, just pissing about basically, getting everything flush.
I don't think the client wants to hear that you're just pissing about on his
Well,
guitar.
I'm getting everything flush, getting everything sorted.
So like,
I've only just glued these in, so I won't be doing anything rough with them till tomorrow.
aye aye.
You know,
There he
sanding
is,
it all
there he is.
down and flushing it all.
Hey, by the way, I've got to say, you there, last one video you did where you were on it, you've got like lots of really good comments saying he doesn't speak much, but when he does, it's worth its weight in gold.
It's nice to see them out, you mean? They were saying stuff like that.
No, came across very well.
Nice to see him being let out for the day.
I think Mr. Will appreciate this.
Yes. So all that will get done. I should got to flush that down now. Get it flush. Same on the other end.
It's a lot of flushing.
There is. So that'll go back that way now. And I should do that one. Same thing.
You know what you need to fix that, don't you? A Dudley dual flush system.
Yeah, okay.
Double power.
So anyway, that's what we're doing today. Well, not today, tomorrow. But this was glued up on Friday. So this can be done.
Do you want me to tell you a tale about the Dudley dual flush?
All right. No, thank you. Nobody's interested.
When I was playing with Hank years ago, I had a Marshall 9000 power ampere, one of the big ones, quite high. Like
9,000 watts?
50 watts a side.
Yeah.
And all the lettering fell off, so I resprayed it and got some letraset, and I called it the Dudley dual valve.
All right.
One side was called the flangeometer.
Okay.
The other side was called something else. And I think it's Paul Libbs, who kind of pretty good guitar player at the time, probably still is. He was really drunk. He came over to me and said, "Good God, that sounds great. What is it?" I said, "It's a Dudley." And he was looking at it, and I went, "When you really push it, the second valve flushes in." And he went, "Bloody hell, you know, how much did it cost?" I said, "How drunk are you? You know, taking the mickey." It was at Uncle Tom's cabin in Stoke.
I think the punters will be really happy to hear all that load of rubbish.
I've still got it at home. Yeah, I've still got the amp at home.
Have you now?
I might actually video it and put it in between.
Okay.
You know, some clips of this.
Yeah, they'll be really interested.
Here it is, as promised. Dudley dual valve flush. Flange piece threshold. Back scuttleometer. Go to 11.
Anyway, so this is. I'm just cleaning all this up now.
Yeah.
Then I've got to finish carving the back, and then I've got to carve the inside.
Oh yeah.
Somebody's been drawing on it.
Yeah, some idiots.
Probably me.
Yeah.
And I've nearly finished shaping the top, which is this bit, and the outside. Then I've got to do thin side.
I was going to say, you've not carved the inside yet, have you?
No.
Yeah, because that's like pretty chunky, isn't it?
Well,
Yeah.
yes, exactly.
Yeah.
It's got to ring true, and it doesn't at the moment. It's just dull because it's too thick. So it's all got to be cutting back. That should end up as a 1/4 inch thick.
Yeah, so you haven't started internally carving this yet, have you?
I haven't done anything.
What have you been doing then?
What I've been doing? I've been busy
You had the job
doing
for
other things.
3 months.
You've just seen one of the things. You've just filmed one of the things I've been busy on. Patrick's guitar.
I'm only kidding.
Good. Put it back down. With no greasy hands on it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. So, well, actually not. I'm doing a Telecaster.
Oh, so you're lying?
Well, yes, no.
Hang on, let's
I came in here because you're fucking videoing me.
Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it to Mr. Will, yeah? This is his neck, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. What's...
I've done nothing to it.
Yeah. I've lent on that many times. Yeah. Is this his truss rod?
Yeah. Good way.
What about the wood on top, fretboard? What's he going for? Can't remember.
Just for, I don't know, just fancied doing it.
No, I mean, what fretboard is he having?
Oh, with that? Oh, he's got ebony.
Rose ebony. Oh.
Yeah.
How much ebony have you got left? Not much.
Right,
No, I've got loads.
Have you? Bloody hell.
I can put my tea back on it. It's having the board on.
Oh yes, I'm doing a strat for Sam, Jim.
Who the hell's Jim?
Diamonds and Ducks.
Oh, him. Yeah.
Jim.
Jimmy Allen.
Him, Jim. Yeah, Jim.
He's quite good. He's not a bad guitarist, he isn't.
No, he's very good.
He, when I sort of, we did a video previously where I was saying, bloody hell, that's a bit of a daft name for a band, Diamonds and Ducks. I checked them out, and there's a video of him playing a solo. He's got a great vibrato, and I messaged him. I think he messaged on our video, and I said, you know, nice playing.
The drummer out the band died over the weekend.
He did.
What, from Diamonds and Ducks?
Yeah. He was on Eon, 43 I think he was.
You kidding me?
No. Steve, a lovely lad. Really nice. Great drummer.
Yeah. Sounds bad.
Eh?
I was going to say sounds good, but sounds bad.
It's a dreadful shame. He got two young kids.
Yeah. Oh, well, that's a shame. Yeah.
It is a shame.
Well then, I mean, you've really put a bit of a downer on the end of this video.
Well, you asked.
Maybe I should edit it out.
Well, you brought it in. I mean, I didn't even mention it. You did.
There's always a book being passed with you, isn't there? Doug, pass the book, Wilkes.
Yeah.
Anyway, listen, let's end this video.
Yeah.
About 38 years I've known him and still never won an argument yet.
Well, that's what he thinks.
Yeah. I don't enter into arguments with him now, I just take the piss.
There's only one person who can tell Doug off, and that's his sister. If you look at him closely, when his sister turns up, he's just got a slight unease about him. Like he's a very...
No unease about my sister, she's lovely.
No, you're a very, very naughty boy.
Oh, I was a naughty boy.
I still can't get over that bit when she came to see you with that Sue, and then you didn't even go in. Then we saw her leave, and you went, oh, ran out. She said, I only came here to see the dog.
That's true, that is.
Yeah. Right then, Mr. Will, end of video, right, Doug?
Yes, Mr. Will, he'll be carried on, continued. This is a continuous story.
So, what you're saying is online, you're going to finish the guitar?
Eventually.
Okay, right, we've got that on the video, so it's official. The guitar will be delivered.
It will.
Well, collected.
I've got to make a nut now about this piece of bone.
What for?
I've just cut yourself a leg.
What for?
For that Telecaster.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Mr. Will's guitar.
No, this
Okay,
is
right.
just a piece of... That's it.
Well, I can always go over there and film this nut.
Well, it won't fit yet. I haven't cut it.
We can film the bone nut cutting situation with the
You
Telecaster.
can't film the bone nut cutting situation.
Well, you've totally bollocks the end of this video up now.